The battle to protect celebrity identity just got bigger. Vivek Oberoi has become the latest celebrity to move the court to safeguard his personality rights. With this legal step, Vivek joins a growing A-list of public figures who have sought similar protection, including Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, R. Madhavan, Anil Kapoor, and Karan Johar, bringing renewed attention to the industry-wide push to protect celebrity identities. Personality rights work like a digital no trespassing sign. They give public figures control over how their names, image, voice, and distinctive traits are used by others. The idea is rooted in the fact that celebrities spend years building their reputation, and if that identity is used for profit, whether on merchandise or through AI generated content, it should only happen with their consent. In India, there isn't a single law that spells this out, the way copyright does for music or films. Instead, courts have gradually developed protections through legal principles, including intellectual property and constitutional rights, to step in when someone's identity is exploited. Fake accounts, fabricated endorsements, and unauthorized merchandise have made it easier than ever to impersonate a celebrity and profit from their image. What may seem like harmless fan activity can quickly cross into commercial use, especially when a face or voice is used in ads or products without consent, risking serious reputational damage. Several actors, including Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, have flagged concerns over AI generated deepfakes and pornographic content misusing their likeness online. For Anil Kapoor, it was the unauthorized use of his jackass catchphrase, while Amitabh Bachchan moved to protect his iconic voice from being used by local businesses without consent. What happens once a court rules in a celebrity's favor? When a court grants a celebrity an omnibus injunction, which is a broader protection order, it significantly strengthens their control over how their identity is used. Here's what it changes for them. Digital cleanup. The order allows immediate takedown of fake social media accounts, deepfakes, and morphed videos from platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and X. No unpaid endorsements. Neither a local shop nor a big brand can use a celebrity's image to sell products without permission. Voice protection. AI companies are barred from training or using models based on a protected celebrity's voice without consent. Restraining John Doe. Since online misuse often comes from anonymous users, the injunction applies to unidentified individuals as well, covering everyone involved, even if the offender's name is not yet known. So, are fans or comedians at risk? Usually not. Personality rights target commercial misuse, not genuine tributes, news reporting, education, or satire. But the line is blurring. The moment a parody turns into a product pitch, it crosses into the danger zone.